Top 9 Benefits of Blockchain. Blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger technology that secures and validates transactions using cryptography. It enables the creation of a transparent, impenetrable record of transactions and other data. Each block in the chain is connected to the one before it by a cryptographic hash and holds a record of several transactions. Due to the fact that once a block is added to the chain, the data contained therein cannot be altered or removed, the blockchain is an immutable record of all transactions. Although blockchain technology is still in its infancy, it has the potential to upend a wide range of industries and alter how we perceive security and trust in the digital sphere. The following are some advantages of blockchain. And also there's a special bonus for you at the very end. So make sure you watch the video until the end. 1. Decentralization. Blockchain enables the development of decentralized systems, which are immune to censorship and manipulation because they are not under the control of a single entity. One of the main characteristics of blockchain technology is decentralization. It speaks of how authority and control are allocated within a system or network. Power and control are concentrated in the hands of a single entity, such as a government or corporation, in traditional centralized systems. Power and control, on the other hand, are shared among a network of users in decentralized systems. Decentralization in the context of blockchain refers to the network not being under the control of a single entity, but rather by a network of users who work together to uphold and confirm the network's integrity through consensus mechanisms. Due to the absence of a single point of failure, decentralization makes it possible for a network to be more reliable and trustworthy. But before we begin, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. 2. Transparency. Blockchain enables the development of open systems that enable the tracking of transactions and the information flow, increasing their auditability and accountability. One of the main advantages of blockchain technology is transparency. It describes the network's capacity to offer visibility and traceability of the movement of data and assets within the network. The public ledger's transparency makes it possible to track and confirm transactions as well as the movement of assets throughout the network. As a result, blockchain-based systems are much more auditable and accountable because they enable transaction tracing. 3. Security. Blockchain employs cutting-edge cryptography to safeguard transactions and guard against fraud and hacking. One of the most crucial aspects of blockchain technology is security. A high level of security for transactions and data stored on the network is provided by the decentralized nature of blockchain and the use of cutting-edge cryptography. Public key cryptography is one of the main ways that blockchain technology offers security. A private key and a public key are a pair of keys that belong to every user on the network. While the public key is used to confirm the user's identity and the transaction's integrity, the private key is used to sign and authorize transactions. This guarantees that the network can only be accessed by authorized users and that any changes are transparently recorded. 4. Immutability. The integrity of the information is ensured by the fact that, once data has been recorded on a blockchain, it is very difficult to alter or tamper with. One of the main characteristics of blockchain technology is immutability. In order to ensure that data recorded on the blockchain cannot be altered or tampered with, it refers to the network's capacity to uphold the integrity of the data stored on it. Blockchain's immutability is made possible by the use of cryptographic hash functions. A hash or digest, which is the output of a hash function, is an input that has a fixed length. A chain of blocks is created on the blockchain because each block contains the hash of the one before it. The hash of the preceding block is included when a new block is added to the chain, forming a connection between the two blocks. The previous block's hash will change if any of the data in it is altered, breaking the link and making it clear that the data has been changed. In conclusion, one of the main advantages of blockchain technology is that once data is stored on the blockchain, it cannot be changed. 5. Traceability. Supply chains and financial transactions are made more efficient and transparent by the use of blockchain technology, which enables the tracking of the movement of assets like money and goods. One of the main advantages of blockchain technology is traceability. It speaks of the capacity to monitor and trace the movement of resources, including products and money, throughout the network. In conclusion, one of the main advantages of blockchain technology is traceability, which enables the monitoring and verification of transactions as well as the movement of assets within the network. It can be used in many areas, including financial services and supply chain management, to track the movement of goods and assets. 6. Efficiency. Blockchain technology can speed up transactions by eliminating the need for middlemen and automating a variety of processes, including the execution of smart contracts. One of the main advantages of blockchain technology is efficiency. It speaks to the network's capacity to automate and streamline procedures, lessening the need for middlemen and boosting transaction speed. In conclusion, efficiency is one of the main advantages of blockchain technology because it enables process automation and streamlining, reducing the need for middlemen and accelerating transaction times. Peer-to-peer transactions can be made possible by the use of distributed ledger technology, smart contracts, and these other technologies. 7. Cost-effectiveness. Blockchain has the potential to lower intermediary costs and boost process efficiency, lowering overall costs. Eliminating intermediaries is one of the main ways that blockchain offers cost-effectiveness. In conventional systems, it is frequently necessary to use intermediaries to facilitate transactions and guarantee the accuracy of the data, such as banks, attorneys, and governmental organizations. However, intermediaries are not required in blockchain-based systems because the network of users validates transactions and records them on the open ledger. This can significantly cut down on the price of using intermediaries. Process automation is yet another way that blockchain offers cost-effectiveness. The use of distributed ledger technology and smart contracts can automate and streamline processes, lowering the need for manual labor and boosting network efficiency. This can speed up transactions and significantly lower the cost of manual labor. 8. Interoperability. Blockchain can make it possible for data and assets to move freely between various systems and businesses. One of the main advantages of blockchain technology is interoperability. It alludes to the seamless communication and collaboration between various blockchain networks and systems. Using cross-chain communication protocols is one way to achieve interoperability, such as sidechains and atomic swaps, which enable the exchange of assets and data between various blockchain networks. 9. Identity management. Blockchain can be used to build portable, private, and secure digital identity systems. One of the main applications of blockchain technology is identity management. It refers to the capacity for managing, storing, and verifying digital identities in a secure and private manner on the blockchain. Digital identities and self-sovereign identity, SSI, systems are two of the main ways that blockchain is being used for identity management. With the aid of SSI systems, people can share their personal information only with those they choose. The data is kept on the blockchain, which guarantees its immutability and security. Decentralized identity, DID, systems are yet another way that blockchain is being utilized for identity management, which make it possible to create digital identities that are not under the control of one particular entity. DIDs can be used to authenticate transactions and access to resources as well as to confirm the identity of people and organizations. As promised earlier, here is the special bonus idea for you. Democratization. Blockchain can make it possible to build decentralized systems that give users and communities more power and control over the system than centralized organizations. One of the main advantages of blockchain technology is democratization. It refers to blockchain's capacity to facilitate the development of decentralized systems that give users and communities more power and control over systems than centralized organizations. By offering a safe and transparent way to conduct elections and vote counting, blockchain can also help democratize voting systems by giving voters more control over their own political process. By supplying a safe and transparent method for holding elections and tallying the votes, giving people more control over their own political system. Did you learn something new about the benefits of blockchain that you didn't know before? We hope you did. Please check the link in the description for our merch also because there's something very special for you in it. So, if you're interested in learning more amazing facts and informative videos, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching till the end.